Welcome to 71 Sifted Grain Road. This home is located in the gated reserve section of the Cypress Ridge community. This is the very popular Litchfield model. Come take a look inside. 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and you're greeted with LVP flooring throughout most of the home. There are 2 bedrooms at the front of the home with a full bath in between to share. This model has very high ceilings with an upgraded crown molding package, a drop zone, open floor concept, again with high ceilings and lots of natural light. The kitchen has updated light fixtures, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and that is a gas stovetop. The owner's suite is tucked away from the rest of the bedroom. Outside is a very large screened-in area with updated ceiling fans. There's a fenced yard with new landscaping. Common ground space behind the fence. Extra patio slab for grilling. Very quiet in the reserve section of the Cypress Ridge community. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.